Okay, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the DW-5610MT-1JF, a Casio G-Shock Square mixtape edition. Just arrived today. It's an unusual bracelet style. It's a different G-Shock box, they've changed it. So that's the box, how it looks, sort of leather-like feel. There's the code, and you open it up, and bang! Oh, nice. So what have we got other than the watch? Obviously we've got some instruction booklets in Japanese. This was only released in China and then released in Japan, so it's very interesting. But yeah, so this is what you can see the time. It's a negative display, but that's the bandsaw colourful mixtape. Really unique, really light. So yeah, it's got different colours. There's stainless steel, and then that's the resin. And if you look at it at an angle, you can see the time perfectly, but then you look at it face on, you can't see nothing. Here's the glow, which is fine. It's got a nice illumination. This is the old module. Not too sure what can't get the module number, but yeah, so it's nice. Get this resized. At the moment I'm wearing the Edifice Windflow. Let's have a look and see what it looks like on wrist. I'll just take my watch off, put this on, need to get it resized, so, and take off all the plastic wrapping. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Normal G-Shock Square, but it's got all those colours in it, something unique and different, old school. People that knew about the cassette tapes, that's what it's harking back to. I've got a 6¼ inch wrist, so it fits very nicely on there. So yeah, just a quick video about this one. Let's look at the illumination. Yeah, nice. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, there's a lot more content coming up. Thanks, bye.